Like in all our soups, we have the little pretend you're dining out section. So for this soup, it's a really, really simple recipe.
So we just put our nuts in there. Just take them out now.
So this is our White Winter Vegetable soup recipe, which is a soup that we only have in the supermarket shelves in the winter time when the vegetables that are in this are at their peak in Ireland.
I went looking for hazelnuts, and it was easier to buy already roasted and peeled hazelnuts than it was to buy these, but I wanted to show you this happening.
People kind of say, what's our White Winter Vegetable soup? So it's potatoes, onions, parsnips, celeriac, leeks, cream, cauliflower, vegetable stock, salt and pepper, black pepper, and that's it. No weird things, pure ingredients, no emulsifiers, stabilizers, no flour, nothing. And you can see it here, we've warmed it up. It's a lovely thick soup. And again, thickened by vegetables.
The trick is to keep your fingers close and in the right place. A little sprinkling of thyme just for a little bit of green because it's so nice.
Yeah, really, really simple. Makes it look like it's come out of a restaurant.
I can't emphasize enough how much it does change the soup if you add a little recipe at the end. Delicious. Very nice nuts.